here's what we want you to do. I'm a real estate agent, real estate broker, and so I want my sellers to know here's one of our key components as our team sells your house, is that we don't just put a super or a lockbox on your house. No, we don't do that. Here's what used to happen. Real estate agents used to put lockboxes on there. Then other agents start sending their clients over there so they can go and look at the house. That means that the real estate agent don't even want to do their work. Then after that, we put the supers on, which is nothing wrong with that. But when you're selling your client's house, if you're going to bring your A game, this is what we want you to do. We want you to go and show your house. Go and show your seller's house. When you do that, that's bringing your A game. And that's one of the things that we do. So what I'm saying is that when you have a house that's listed for sale, that's what we do as a selling agent, as a listing agent. I mean, when we put your house on the market, when it's time to show your house, we go and meet the other agent there. Who can sell your house better than the agent that you've listed with? Not the agent that's coming there, because the unfortunate part about it, sometimes when agents come there, then they're not even paying attention. They're not even listening. Some of them are on their cell phones. Some of them even let their clients go in the house by themselves. So those are the things that we don't want to do. Some of them leave the AC on. Some of them leave the lights on. I'm not knocking any real estate agent, but this is what I do and my team do as a listing agent. We make sure that we go to the appointment so that we can show. Say for instance, you just did an upgrade in the bathroom. And you just did it, and who can tell it better than your agent that's selling your house? So those are the things that we do. That's bringing your A game. That's giving your seller a client experience. That's what happens. So no more putting the lockbox on. We don't do that. No more putting the super on. We don't do that. Yes, the super can track whoever is in your house, but if you, as the agent, like I do, go to the house, then I can make sure that I can get feedback while the buyer is there. I can always answer the questions that the buyer wants to know. So now they're not going in and trying to figure out what are the answers to the questions that they know, because I can answer more than likely all the questions that they want to know. If it's their agent and you're just trusting that that agent helped sell your house, then you're playing a hit or miss game. But as long as you're there as the listing agent, you can answer all the questions for your client. And then when that client gets all the answer, that will help them make a decision right away. They don't have to figure it out. They don't have to question it. They have all the information that they need. And that's what I do and my team do when it comes to selling our client's house. I'm Dr. Karen Lewis. I am a licensed real estate broker. Love what I do. Love to help my sellers sell their house in the shortest period of time for the top dollar.